Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome to the final cake in my little mini cake series. All I'm doing today is I'm creating a 3-inch wide cake that's going to be rather tall. You can use any stabilized cake recipe that you please. Today I'm using my favorite chocolate cake recipe along with my Italian meringue buttercream. This works well with Italian meringue buttercream as well, and you could probably also do this design with whipping cream too. I'm not adding any fancy fillings today, but if you did want to do that, make sure to build a buttercream dam first and then fill it up with the filling and layer your cakes on top. Crumb coat as usual, and make sure to take care to really adhere to the shape of the cake. I always find with smaller ones that I really need to make sure to put this in the fridge a few times. For example, this top portion here, I'm only doing after I put it in the fridge. I just found it was slipping around quite a bit, and it's harder working with something smaller sometimes. This cake design is probably one of the least involved in comparison to all of the other little mini cakes that I've been doing. I wanted to give you guys a design that was a lot more simple so that you could really make a lot of these and have it be worth it for you in your treat boxes. You'll notice that we're still at crumb coat level here, but that's going to be completely fine because I'm going to put on this buttercream very randomly, and then we're going to texturize it. I'm using pinks and reds today and whites, but you could honestly use whatever colors that you would like. Use a spatula or a comb and texturize as you see fit. At this point, I'm going to add in some red. Sprinkles not only look beautiful, but I find these quins have a really nice crunch to them as well. Now I am placing the hearts on kind of haphazardly, but I'm ombreing it up just a little bit. I want to get rid of all those little black dots that are showing. I do put a heart cookie cutter on here to kind of create a heart silhouette. It doesn't turn out the cleanest, and that's because I end up adding on more sprinkles later. So if you do want a super clean outline of a heart, make sure to stick to one sprinkle or a little sprinkle mix that goes really well with that. You'll notice with the quin, it's not the best choice just because the quins are a little bit chunky, so we lose some of that definition as well. Using the same red buttercream from earlier, I'm just using a number 2 tip to write that little love script. Here is where my heart stops looking so much like a heart because I add on these little tiny nonpareils. To make the pop-out heart, all you need to do is add a little bit of cornstarch, roll out your fondant, cut out the heart, and then place a little bit of water on there and then attach your 18-gauge wire. I did end up painting the heart a little bit of a dusty gold, but you could easily just leave it white, or you could make a pink or a red heart. Now let's get into the pricing. Now of all the cakes that I've shown you of the mini cake series, this one is on the lower end of pricing just because it was a lot easier for this one to come together, so it would be $20 Canadian. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little mini cake series, and thank you so much for 9,000 subscribers. I can't believe we're almost at our next big milestone. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!